software on the projections of laminas. Now we go for the CAD software. You just switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now here you just go to limits command, type limits, go to specify lower left corner 0, 0 and the upper right corner 297, 210, and then zoom, enter, all enter. Go for line command. First we are going to draw a horizontal line by clicking on the first button of the mouse, and then again you take the cursor to the top side and then click on the first button of the mouse and then press enter key. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297 and press enter key. Select this line and offset till here. Similarly, you just go to offset, specify offset distance, you take the distance as 210 and then click on the horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends, and then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between these two and similarly fillet between these two and similarly fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window to select here and go to dtext, and here you type the problem number for text height 4, rotation angle is 0, and type problem number 85, and then a triangular plate, plane figure of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners such that the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. If the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests makes an angle of 30 degree with PP. Draw the top and front views in this position. Go to zoom previous. Now we go to zoom window. Now we're going to take this. So first we go to the layer and click on new, type XY, and again click on new and type views. And now go to line weight, default layer make it 0.05, and for XY the line weight default you make it as 0.13 and say OK. And for use you click on line weight of default and take 0.5 and say OK, and now finally close this layer also. Now we go for first one is the polygon command. So take the number of sides as 3 and put on the ortho mode. So click on the go to edge option, type E and specify first and end point of edge. So you just click on some arbitrary point or take the position and select the position and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse downward direction, specify second point of edge, you just type 25. So you are going to get a triangle with one of the edges perpendicular to XY. Then go to line command, then draw a horizontal line here, then go to line, take intersection of this and perpendicular to this, and take intersection point of this and perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line and between this line and this line. Then go to select on this and you select on this and go to CH and go to layer and you make this as views layer and then escape. Now you just close this. Now you come down to ortho mode. Then go to copy, select this and drag this copy to the new position. You just click on this. it is resting on one of its corners, you just go to rotate command, go to RO, select this, select specify base point, you take end point END of this because it is on the corner. So what is the rotation angle in the clockwise direction? It is 60 degrees to HP. Rotate clockwise minus 60 and say enter. So you're going to get this. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection part of this and drag this and keep line. Take intersection of this and draw a vertical line and take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, line, you take end point of this and draw a vertical line and take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this, and similarly intersection point of this and perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between this line and this line, and go to line, take intersection of this to intersection point of this and take intersection point of this, and come down to near to the screen, and then go to break, select this line. I don't want to define that as the first point, I want to define the new first point. You take F and take intersection of this and take this second point at the same point, second point at the same break, enter. Then go to break, select this line, take F first point, take intersection of this and second point at the rate and press enter key. Now we go for select between these three lines and go to CH and go to layer and you make this as views and then close. Then go to group and go to group, select all these lines by selecting the window and say enter. So now it has been grouped. Then go to copy, select this entire thing, it becomes a group, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to rotate, go to RO, select this, take intersection point of this, and now we have to rotate such that the side opposite the corner is 30 degrees to VP. So you have to rotate in anti-clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction as positive. So take 60 degrees so that it is going to be rotated by 30 degrees. Then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, click on ortho to take intersection point of this and draw a vertical line and take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, take intersection point of this and draw a vertical line and take NT of this and take perpendicular to this. So here go to fillet between these two and fillet between this line and this line, and go to line, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this and intersection point of this. Then go to break, select that line, define the new first point, take INT and press enter key. Then go to select these three lines and say go to layer, you make it as views and then escape. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. You just select this line, you select this line, go to layer and you make this as XY. Then go to break, break this line till here and you break this line till here and then come down to this. So previous dimensions. Go to DDIM, select modify, go to lines, you make it this offset from the origin as 3 and symbols and arrows, you take the arrow size as 4. Then go to text, so text height is 4 and align with the dimension line, center becomes above and offset from the origin as 3. Then go to primary units, select this as 0 and say OK and say close it. Then go to dim vertical, select this line and offset, take this distance as 25. Then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you make this as 60 degrees. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, you make this as 30 degrees. Then go to dim TED, text edit dimension, select this line and you take this here 60 degrees. select this line and then take this here 30 degrees. Now we go for text. So to do that, go to the text, select this and type 4 and get X, and you mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP, and you mark this as Y, and you take this as small a, you take it as B, and you take it as C, then go to A dash, then come down to B dash, then come down to C dash, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode and take X, and you mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP. So go to A dash, go to B dash, and go to C dash. Similarly, you make this as A, you make this as B, and you make this as C. Now we will go for copy. Select this, copy this here, A dash, and you copy this as C dash here. Similarly, you copy this as B dash here. Now here, go to copy, select this as A, then you copy this A here, then go to B, you select this here and copy it here, and this is here. Similarly, C, you select this here and you copy it here, and then from here to here. Then go to the text, then you take this as A dash, and this as B dash, and this as C dash. Then go to move, select this B dash, you move it here, then A dash, you take it here, and C dash, you take it here, and Y, you take it here. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing solved by using CAD software. Then go to save, go to appropriate drive, and go to P85 and save, and finally you exit.